I'm not seeing Mr. Tao, so Mr. Wheeler, would you please come testify?
Chair Lesh, committee members, thank you. Delighted to be here. I'm wearing 3 hats, and when you're as bald as I am, it's a good idea to wear several hats. I'm a citizen, and that's really the most important of all the offices I hold. My second office is that I'm a United Methodist pastor. I've served churches around the state of Minnesota, and I did the wedding for my niece and my nephew, and I have another nephew who's gay, and he hasn't decided yet to be married, but it would be pretty hard for me to be able to do his siblings' service and not be able to do his. I really believe that this law will strengthen families and marriage. It's no threat to anybody else, and it will value people and will make a difference. Now, I'm an elected public official. I was first elected as a Duluth City Councilor, like somebody else who's sitting here today, many years ago, and I sponsored the Human Rights Amendment in Duluth back in the mid-'90s, and we passed it over the veto of a very conservative Christian mayor. And I really believe that it's very vital as an elected person that we stand for human rights for all people. But it's not just about rights, it's about marriage, it's about commitment, it's about love, it's about making a difference. I also serve now on the Board of Estimate and Taxation for the City of Minneapolis, and we set the local property tax levy, which is kind of important in terms of what happens in the life of the city, and we want to have as many families and couples within Minneapolis, and we have a wonderful variety of people who will continue to be involved in our economic life. We heard from Marilyn Carlson Nelson what a huge difference this really makes in our economy, and I think that's important. I just want to end by saying that you've all been elected to lead, not to follow, to lead. This is the year to do it, and the reason it's the year to do it is next year is an election year, and you need to get out in front of the voters and say yes to all Minnesotans. Thank you very much for your hard work, and we look forward to a great result.
Thank you for your time.